It would be maybe here. Sayang, you need to help me. So we just put like this first. Actually, I don't need a mixer. I think I can just mix like this. Nowhere just now, Sarah asked me to bake brownies for him, and I'm like, oh my goodness. He knows that I'm not good at baking, you know. Trust me, I'm good at cooking. I can cook like masak lemak, curry, just name it, steamed fish, you know, I'm good at it. But baking, if I'm stuck in an island and there's a competition out of nowhere, say that if you want to get out from the island, you have to win this baking competition, guess what? I'll die. I'll just stuck forever in the island because I'm not good at it. So I told him like, okay, if you want brownies, you have to bring me to grocery and get something. And then he's like, everything got ready well, what you want? Then I was like, yeah, but I don't have premix. I don't have premix for brownies because I really don't know. So I got this one, the easiest. I can't do it from scratch. I ruin a lot of cakes, cookie. I ruin a lot, okay? But one thing in me is just like, I don't mind trying, you know. I watch a lot of baking videos and they are like so nice and easy, but when I try, it's always something like. Went out and got this one I bought for 12 ringgit 90 cent. Betty Crookers. I got it from Village Grocer. All you need here is a cup of water, vegetable oil, and 1 egg. So I think it's good enough. Tie up your hair because some serious business gonna get started. Ta-da! You got this. And then this, I assume, the creamy chocolate frosting. So this the frosting. Easy lah, only dua ni. So you just campak everything. Pray for me, wish me luck, okay? Telur kampung okay ke? Should be okay lah, right? Wait, 350. It's not, this is Fahrenheit. This F is Fahrenheit, right? Oh my god, I'm so bad at this. We gotta check with Google. And then it says stir brownie mix water, oil and egg in medium bowl. Medium bowl, is this considered a medium bowl? I don't know. Should be okay. 1/4 cup of water. This is 1, this is half. So I assume 1/4 is this one. Oh my goodness. And 1/3 I assume this is one sec first. Okay, 1/3 would be maybe here. Sayang, you need to help me. Just to make. Yeah, but I'm not good in maths. Come and help me, please. Please, please.
Berapa nilai?
1/4 cup of water. Help.
This is quarter lah. It is not liter, right?
No, it's not liter. Vegetable oil would be 1. Okay. It looks like this. Now we just have to bake this. Alright. So we just put like this first. Actually, I don't need a mixer. I think I can just mix with this. I think so. Mixer. You know what? I think I don't need hand mixer, so I'm just gonna use that. 352 Celsius is 176. So, oh my god, 176 where? Oh, here. Preheat, so I assume 10 minutes, right? Okay. It's okay. I don't know, but why got bubbles? Okay, can I just do that? Let's just see. Okay. Sayang, I think. We hope we can make it, right? Let's see. Okay. That's 30 minutes. 30 minutes is just 30 minutes, yeah. Good luck. Please come out like a brownie. Let's go and check it out. Does it look like a brownie? Looks like a brownie. Ooh. Oh my god, why so weird? Okay, let's just try. And poke it first. Okay. Looks weird though. What's up with this? Oh, okay. Poke. Is it okay? I think I need to cook a little bit longer. Yeah. 10 more minutes. Do you think? I think I'll leave it a little bit more. 5 more minutes. I think the third one is good enough lah. Let's check it out. Better be good. Tak nak nanti hangus pula. I think it's good lah, this one. Good. Good. Maybe like the down part is too oily. Okay. Okay. Leave it, let it cool down, and this one we get our boss to try whether it's nice or not. Honest review, nice or not? Nice, ah? Too sweet. On try. Bit of ice cream.
I said 1 and 2 scoop ice cream.
Ito nila. chewy. Nice one.